Now this isn't going to be a sick joke when it's empty, is it? Can I just rip into it? Can I just... I'm not excited. I'm going for it, bollocks to it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ah! Oh, that is amazing. The Cheshire Cat, Alice in Wonderland. Didn't spell my name right. I'm joking. No, they spelled it right. There we go. Oh, it fits amazing. I just want to go on the bike now because you've got a bike out there. Oh, that is fantastic. Honestly, that is utterly amazing. Get you lot in it. Look at that. This is... Hello, Dom.
That's class.
How good is that, man?
That's class. So vibrant.
Anyway, I've got to go back to work here. Sorry. There you are. Thumbs up. Happy days.